feel like I'm going to Disneyland.
Feel that tenderness?
Yeah.
Well, let's get you to feel better. So we're going to have you lay down over here.
All right.
On your side facing me.
All right. Hug myself?
Yep, you got it, man.
All right.
Go ahead and straighten these legs out.
The head resting or?
Yep. And we're just going to guide you. And you might feel like you're going to fall, but I'll hold you. You're not going to go anywhere. I got you nice and still. There you go. And then we'll come on over here. And down we go. Enjoy the ride. Just relax. That was the good one.